by SA1NT, or Saint Moto motorcycle company that specializes in motorcycle riding gear as well as apparel. I previously did a video on them covering one of their riding jackets, which is probably the best riding jacket I've ever worn. Doesn't look like a riding jacket, doesn't feel like one, but it's highly rated, has the armor, abrasion resistance, all of it. I cover that more in depth as well as more in depth on the company, and so I'll link that in the description as well as the corner of this video so you can check that video. But today we're going to be reviewing one of their most recent products, the Coretec jeans. So what's special about these riding jeans compared to all the other riding jeans is that they're AAA rated and the toughest jeans that SA1NT's ever made, or the toughest riding jeans, riding pants that they've ever made. And I really like the technical aspect of a product, and I really want to share that with you guys because that's what they shared with us, and I think it's fantastic. So before we get into that, let's open it up and show you guys. I believe they come in two fits, slim and straight, and these are the slim. Definitely riding jeans. All right. You're probably like, okay, they just look like regular jeans. All right, so 14-ounce denim, fairly sturdy. Comes with armor at the knees and the hips. It's 32 waist, and this one's a 34 length, and I'm not a 34, I'm a 30. I don't think I'll get them hemmed. I think I'll just cuff it. Before I get into the technology aspect of the jeans, just from the outside, you have two side pockets with one coin pocket. On the inside, you have a SA1NT wing center button, YKK zipper, slim fit again, and these are AAA rated, AAA CE safety rating, high performance fabric, 14-ounce SA1NT denim. Also comes with hip and knee adjustable armor pockets, as well as the armor, the D30 LP1 Ghost armors. You have some belt loops, and you have like that leather SA1NT patch on the back. Clean silhouette, black. Pairs with a lot of jackets, shirts. SA1NT told us what Coretec was, and I think you guys should know too, because if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in riding jeans. When it comes to riding gear, or basically riding jeans, riding pants, you want something sturdy, you want something tough, abrasion resistant. In the event that you slide off your bike, you want to be protected. And the ratings, or CE ratings, differentiate the level of, I guess, toughness of how well it will protect you in the event of a slide. So normally these jeans are made from cotton, elastane for stretch, and what they call ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. Probably butchered that up, but I had to look that up because I didn't know what that was. So according to Google, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene is an extremely tough plastic with high abrasion and wear resistance. So we're not talking about like actual like big pieces of plastic in your jeans, but you know, little fibers, little pieces of them mixed with elastane and cotton. And so from what I'm told is they're woven like, you know, the cotton is going down, then you put the elastane going across, and then you put the ultra high molecular weight polyethylene, you know, in another direction. So everything's kind of woven like this, right? One component is going this way, the other is going this way, and then you just keep doing that until you get denim or jeans. Now Coretec goes one step beyond that. So instead of having, let's say, cotton just coming down and then the elastane coming from the side and then continuing that pattern to weave it like this, Coretec is made from the ultra high molecular weight polyethylene in the center, and then around that one thread is the elastane, and then on the outside of the elastane is the cotton, and then basically three components making one thread, one fiber, and then you have a ton of fibers, and then now you have, you know, that three component fiber coming all the way down as well as coming across. So if that makes sense, you know, so now it's not just one component coming down, it's it's all three coming down, all three coming from the side, and just being woven like that. And so that's how they got that AAA rating, extremely tough and durable jeans that they call Coretec. So I just thought that was really fascinating, really cool. AAA rating is the highest rating you can get when it comes to riding gear, from my understanding so far. So I'm gonna try this on, and then I'm gonna ride around for maybe a few days, a week, and then check back in with you guys and give you an update on how they feel, how they hold up, and how much I like them. See you in a bit. All right, it's been a few days. We're back and got a chance to wear these jeans for a few rides, and gotta say they're pretty comfortable, and they're flexible. And what I mean by that is they're not usually like denim, you gotta break them in, but this one, it feels like it's basically broken in. Like, it's not tight, but comfortably, you know, comfortably do this. You know, you could get on your knees, you could squat, no problem. High knees, remember that in PE. Do a little bit of that. With my bike, it's an upright sitting position, so I'm like this, and again, no issues. And I'm sure, you know, for different riding positions, like the more aggressive ones or the more laid back ones, no matter what it is, these jeans, I mean, you're comfortable. So in terms of looks, I'm 5'9", 155 pounds with a 31 waist, and this is a 32 waist. And waist wise, I am wearing a belt just because I like my belt, but it fits fine without the belt. So a 32 fits my 31 waist fine. The length is a 34 and I'm a 30 length, so I cuffed it, but that's kind of been like the look I've been going with all my jeans, just kind of cuffing it like this with the boots. So it works for me, it's not an issue, and I don't think I'll get it altered because there's no need. Also, this is the Saint jacket, the riding jacket. It's also a denim jacket. I believe this one's CE AA rated, but super comfortable. Armor in the elbows as well as the back and the shoulders. Yeah. And this one definitely feels like it's been broken into. It's the most comfortable jacket, riding jacket I've ever owned. So the link to this will be in the description, and I have a code for this jacket too. I don't know if it still works, but if it does, great. If not, I'm sorry. By the way, it's 45 degrees right now, and I was riding like 50, 55 miles per hour in this wind, and it's windy. It's pretty chilly, but I was able to stay warm in this. Granted, I'm wearing a sweater underneath, but I mean, pants held up well, jacket held up well. Armor, the knee armor goes right above my knees all the way to about halfway down my shin. Again, 5'9". And then the hip armors go obviously from right under where the belt loop is all the way up to about halfway, little above halfway my thigh. So about that big, that big. That's it for the Saint Coretec jeans. Man, there are planes all over today. Thanks for sending it over so that we could review it, so that you guys could watch the review and hopefully get a better idea of the new product and help you make a decision in your purchasing. If that makes sense. If you guys are interested in these jeans, I'll link them down in the description below. Again, brand new, and I believe they only have one color, which is black, which is universal and pretty much goes with everything. So yeah, I also believe we might have a code to give you guys a discount. I'm not 100% sure yet, but if there is, it's on the screen to save you some cash, and it's most likely an affiliate code, so if you use it, it helps out the channel, but in return gives you guys a sweet discount. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.